Have you ever wondered where the company behind your favorite online payment method is based? You've seen the logo, you've used the service, but what's the story behind it? Today, we're diving into the world of Paysafe to uncover exactly that. Paysafe is a global payments powerhouse, and its reach is truly impressive. But before we get to its global footprint, let's talk about its home base. While Paysafe has offices all around the world, its corporate headquarters are located in London, United Kingdom. It's a strategic location, right in the heart of one of the world's major financial hubs. From this central point, Paysafe's operations fan out to serve a vast network of clients and consumers. The company's services, which include everything from digital wallets like Skrill and Neteller to its prepaid solution, PaySafeCard, are available across numerous regions. In North America, you'll find Paysafe widely used in the United States and Canada. They have a strong presence there, supporting a huge range of transactions. Move across the Atlantic and you'll see Paysafe solutions are deeply integrated throughout Europe. They serve major markets like the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain, as well as many other countries within the European Union and beyond. But the story doesn't end there. Paysafe also has a significant and growing presence in other parts of the world. Their prepaid solutions, in particular, are available in countries across Latin America, like Argentina, Mexico, and Peru, and in key markets in Australia and New Zealand. The sheer number of countries where Paysafe has a presence is truly astounding. Whether you're paying for an online game, shopping on an e-commerce site, or making a money transfer, there's a good chance that Paysafe is facilitating that transaction somewhere in the world. Their network is designed to connect people and businesses across borders, making global payments feel seamless and local. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.